Hello soulmates, welcome to another bag tutorial. So in today's tutorial we'll be recreating this bag. Yes, we'll be recreating this bag. So this is what my outcome looks like. I know it is not perfect, but it is still beautiful. So if you are interested in how to cut, how to sew and how to make this bag, please like my video, share this video with your friends, drop a comment in the comment section, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I drop tutorials like this. So without wasting much time, let's just get right into the video. Welcome back guys. So for this tutorial we only need three things, which is the satin, the interfacing and your chain. So that is the major material we need. So now let's take our measurement. As usual, I'll be leaving the measurement on the screen. So please just follow closely so that you don't miss anything. So this is the main fabric for the body. Then we'll be cutting another one, which will be like a lining. We'll be cutting another one, which is the lining, like the inner of the bag. So this is what the inner looks like. Is shorter than the main bodies. Like I said, the measurements are on the screen, so you can just check. So when you place it on each other like this, there should be a difference of about 2 inches. Yes, 2 inches. So this is the design on the bag. So this is about, I don't know the measurement. Let me just put it on the screen for you to see. So this one will be folded like this and it will be sewn. So this is just a tiny pieces that I'll be using to make the handle for the chain. So now we'll go ahead and add our facing. So we'll be using this soft facing for everything except the handle of the bag. So just go ahead and iron it on everything except the tiny piece. So this is what we have after ironing. So this is the small body and the bigger bodies. So this is what they look like. So I'll be opening up these inner bodies because that is what we'll be using to turn this bag. So it has to be opened up. So now I'll go ahead and join the side of this bag. We'll start with the inner bodies. Please, we are starting with the inner bodies. Go ahead and join the side with just half inch. Then this one also, which is the inner, you join it with half inch. So this is the design, you join it also with half inch. So this is the design, it has been ironed. The joining is at the middle part. Yes, so this is the inner and this is the main bodies. So for the main bodies, you go ahead towards this edge right here. Then you just sew like 1 inch. Just sew is just small 1 inch. This is just to give it a base at this area. So after sewing that, you place the inner inside it. But before then, you locate the midpoint of this bigger, the outside material, the outside, the one that will be outside, which is the bigger one, and the one without any opening. So you locate the midpoint. Then after locating the midpoint, we'll be attaching the design to it. So you make sure the design, like the joining part, is facing the material, is facing the satin. So you join like this. Then you also join the other side too. So make sure the midpoint is matching, like you match the midpoint of the design to the midpoint we located on the back. So after you are done, you place the inner inside just to turn this. So they are equal, so there shouldn't be any problem with the joining of this. Just make sure you just sew round. You sew it round like this. So after sewing it round, you open it up like this. So the next thing we'll be doing is to top stitch. We'll be top stitching towards the inner part. So you'll be top stitching towards the inner part of the bag. So you just go ahead and top stitch all around. After top stitching, the next thing to do is just to close the inner bag, the inner opening. So just go ahead and close the inner. After you are done with the closing, the next thing to do is to sew this tiny strap. So this is what the tiny strap looks like. So I'm going to cut it and divide it into two. Then I'll just be folding it like this. I'll be folding it like this, then I'll be sewing. So in case you want to use a chain that does not have a hook, it is best to insert the chain before sewing this down. So I'll be showing you the chain I'm talking about. I mean something like this chain that does not come with a hook, that is just measured, not a ready-made chain, that is just measured like this. So it's best to insert this thing inside, then you go ahead and fix it down. You see this chain that I want to use, it has a hook, so that is why I'll be fixing this tiny piece on it without inserting the chain. So I'll just be fixing it down on it like this. I'll be fixing it down, so when I'm done I'll just insert my chain, and if I don't want to carry it with a chain, I can easily remove the chain. So this chain can be gotten from your clutch bag or any bag you have that the chain is detachable. You can just use it. So I'll be fixing this on it. Then I'll be adding a press button for the bag to close. So I'll be adding my press button, just two. I'll be adding two press buttons on this bag for it to just close up. So after adding the press button, this is what it looks like. So after making a satin bag, the beauty of a satin bag is to put something inside just to give it the shape. You know it is made with fabric, not a leather that will be bulky. So you have to put like pieces. So I'm putting pieces inside just to give it the shape. But if you want to take it outside, you can just put your face towel, whatsoever you want to go out with. You put it inside, so the shape of the bag will come out. As you can see, the beauty of the bag, it is so beautiful. So if you haven't liked this video at this point, if you haven't subscribed, if you haven't commented, please do that now, because it makes this video get to the right audience. So this is what the bag look like. As you can see, the beauty, it is looking so beautiful. It is looking so beautiful, so nice. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.